Good day everyone, my name is Maria Stephanie Sibal Gomez, BSHM Block 29. My instructor is Van Egrodel Oches. This is my reaction video about IoT or Internet of Things. So when we say IoT means Internet of Things is that shaping the way we live our lives. The Internet of Things, IoT, is crucial because it connects physical objects to the Internet, enabling them to collect data, communicate with each other, and be controlled remotely, leading to increased efficiency, automation, and new possibilities in various industries, from smart home and cities to healthcare and manufacturing. Advantage: increase efficiency. IoT devices can automate tasks, optimize processes, and collect real-time data, leading to improved productivity and reduced costs. Enhance convenience. Smart homes, wearables, and connected appliances offer convenience and control over daily life. Improve safety and security. IoT sensors can detect potentials, hazards, and alerts. Users, while connected security systems can enhance safety and deter crime. Data driven insight. IoT devices generate vast amounts of data that can be analyzed to gain valuable insight and make informed decisions. New business opportunities. IoT opens up new opportunities for businesses to develop innovative products and services. So next, disadvantage. Security risks. Connected devices are vulnerable to cyber attacks, which can compromise data, disrupt operation, and even cause physical harm. Privacy concerns. IoT devices collect and transmit personal data, raising concerns about privacy and data misuse, complexity, and interoperability. So next, complexity and interoperability.